Buildings today are a combination of art and science. Certainly dramatic architecture creates wonderful spaces, but there's also intense science behind what goes into making a great building work and operate efficiently and effectively and provide that comfort. At Glumac, we use BIM as a tool to achieve maximum sustainability on the projects. And the way we do that is through the energy modeling and the interaction with the Revit model, through the CFD modeling and the interaction with the Revit model, and doing it in such a way that we can minimize the capital expenditures while still proving and achieving the energy efficiency and the comfort that's critical for the operations of the facility.
Glumac is an engineering firm that's very well known for its commitment to sustainability. We've been doing it for over 40 years, and we have experts that are experts not only in sustainability, they're experts in market sectors, and even in design practices and technologies like building information modeling, computational fluid dynamics, and energy modeling.
When Dick Glumac first started the firm, it was really just called efficiency, not sustainability. Where today sustainability is looking at what are the most efficient, best methods for designing a building, what are the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, and ultimately sustainability is intertwined with economics and energy efficiency.
In the past, when we did advanced calculations such as computational fluid dynamics or energy analysis, daylighting simulation, we had to completely design a separate model from scratch. Now, with building information modeling and a platform like Autodesk Revit, we can now use the same model for both applications.
We're able to take that same geometry and use it for energy analysis. We're also able to put it into Autodesk Simulation CFD, or even take it out to third-party tools. At the very beginning of a project, we'd start with Autodesk Green Building Studio, and that would allow us to do some of the first runs and initial performance metrics. Then, once we got into a little bit deeper, we'd start moving into the other Autodesk Building Performance Analysis tools, and that would allow us to refine the energy analysis and do more detail on the big picture system options. What Autodesk Simulation CFD would allow us to do is look at how those systems are operating in terms of the airflow and the space and the comfort. We've used Autodesk Simulation CFD to evaluate the parking garage at Wilshire Grand so that we can design the fan systems to operate more appropriately to the specific end-use need so that we have a safe environment. Energy analysis and Revit offers us the ability to do all of those test runs and initial studies up on the cloud without compromising our local servers and storing all those excess files. Plus, when we start to do multiple iterations and different evaluations, we can do all of those runs on the cloud, freeing up the demands on our local computer.
Sustainable design has always been equated with more cost, or people anticipating that it's going to cost more to save more in the long term. But now with technologies allowing us to create more iterations of our design, we're coming up with better designs. Our designs are more sustainable, we're saving more money up front, and doing it in a way that's cost effective not only during the design, but right away for that customer.
When you're involved in the concept phase of a project, you want to evaluate all the different alternatives, the shape of the building, how the light comes into the building, all of these different parameters, and you want to test that very, very quickly in the concept phase and understand how that's going to impact energy. And if you have these tools at your disposal that can generate these in a period of days and feed that back to your clients so they can be informed on their decisions about how their design will affect the overall operating costs, the comfort in the space, this kind of information really is invaluable. And as a business, it's allowed us to differentiate ourselves from our competitors. We're no longer commodity because we provide expert advice and expert consultation, and we do it very cost effectively using technology to assist us. The future of Glumac is to continue to invest in technology, and we partnered with Autodesk and Revit to really advance the construction industry. And Revit's helping us get there in a way nobody else can.